Is your TV sound just fine? Good enough? Because good enough isn't good enough anymore when it comes to your entertainment. Today, we're diving into a game changer that promises to elevate every movie, every game, and every song. The new Hisense HS2100 2.1 channel soundbar with its wireless subwoofer. And trust me, your ears are in for a treat. From the moment you power it on, the Hisense HS2100 makes an instant impact with its impressive 240 watts of max audio power. This isn't just a slight upgrade. It's a complete transformation for your TV's audio. You've got two powerful front-facing speakers working in perfect harmony with that wireless subwoofer, instantly filling your room with rich, dynamic sound. No more struggling to hear dialogue. No more flat action sequences. Just pure, unadulterated audio immersion. Now, let's talk about what truly sets this soundbar apart. DTS Virtual X. This isn't just a fancy name. It's a breakthrough in spatial sound. Imagine watching your favorite blockbuster, and instead of sound coming from a single point, it feels like it's all around you, overhead, to the sides, drawing you deeper into the action. Whether you're gaming and need to pinpoint every enemy footstep, watching a thrilling movie, or simply lost in your favorite music, DTS Virtual X enhances every single experience. It transports you, making you hear and feel more, turning your living room into a true cinematic or concert hall environment. And speaking of feeling the sound, the wireless subwoofer is an absolute standout. Forget messy cables trailing across your floor. This subwoofer connects wirelessly, giving you the freedom to place it wherever it sounds best in your room. But its real magic lies in its performance. It delivers those robust, earth-shaking low-end frequencies that punctuate explosions, give depth to music, and truly immerse you in the moment. You'll not only hear the bass, you'll feel the boom, while the main soundbar speakers ensure bright, crystal clear high and mid-range frequencies, creating a perfectly balanced audio landscape. Worried about complicated setups? Don't be. The Hisense HS2100 boasts incredibly easy connectivity. With HDMI ARC, you can connect it to your TV using a single HDMI cable, which, by the way, is included in the box. And here's the best part. You can then control both your TV and the soundbar with just one remote. That means less clutter and more convenience. Plus, with Bluetooth 5.3, streaming music wirelessly from your phone or other smart devices is seamless and incredibly stable. Pop on your favorite playlist and let the HS2100 fill your home with stunning audio, turning it into a versatile entertainment hub. So, if you're tired of your TV's lackluster sound and you're ready to truly experience your content, the Hisense HS2100 is an absolute must-have. It combines powerful audio output, immersive spatial sound, deep bass, and effortless connectivity into one sleek, affordable package. Stop settling for good enough sound. Elevate your entertainment experience. You deserve it. Find the link in the description below to grab your Hisense